Hey everyone, welcome to part 7 of the Japanese verb conjugation series. Today we'll be covering the masen form. So the masen form is negative polite, meaning that it expresses negation in a polite manner. For ichidan, it's quite simple. Drop the ru, taberu, tabe, and add masen, tabemasen. Miru, mi, mimasen. Deru, de, demasen. For Godan, change the last U sound into an E sound and add masen. Oyogu, oyogi, oyogimasen. Matsu, machi, machimasen. Kaeru, kaeri, kaerimasen. Now for the two irregular verbs suru and kuru, suru turns into shimasen and kuru into kimasen. Thanks for watching. Mitakure arigato. See you in the next video.